Ah. I'm on the road to recovery, step by step, day by day. I'd like to apologize. I'm sorry. I want to say I'm sorry to Anthony's mom and Bonnie's mom and 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 my mom and when I was asked to do the announcements for Halloween, I thought, oh, it'll be easy. I've done the announcements before. What's the big deal? But it's just too much. How do you compete with a rap? I can't even rhyme orange, but somehow they do it. I want to tell the newcomer that we're so glad you're here. And I want you to come to the underground after your small group. I've disappointed you because I haven't told you about childcare. And that it's free. I've disappointed Lori and the Good Eats team because I haven't told you that you should have come earlier tonight. You should have come earlier tonight and had dinner. And it's only $3. I want to tell you how to get out of the parking lot. You gotta put the blue one in first. You gotta take it out, the blue one out. And then you gotta put the white one in too. And I hope the gate will open for you. But you gotta really push it or it won't work. And don't go to that kiosk thing. Don't go to that kiosk thing. Because there's something wrong with it.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why are you in the closet?
I don't know.